Hello, guys. Welcome to this healing session with me. Thank you so much for tuning in. Welcome, welcome, welcome. All are welcome. Whoever has been experiencing any negative energy, all right, any blockages, okay, any naysayers, evil liars, um, any money blocks or anything of that nature, crown chakra. This will be an all chakra cleanse, but the root chakra is the main focus. Okay, that's why I have red on. All right. So I just want you guys to sit back and enjoy. Okay, and let the movement do the work. All right. This is very important because we do have a full moon in Scorpio coming up in a couple of days, and I will be doing another cleanse around full moon. All right, so guys, there is a lot of energy here, good energy that I'm putting towards you, okay? And I wish you guys very well with any future endeavors that you have going on from this day forward. Love you. Bye.